Hi, I am Priya. Here is another problem that I need to deal with. PCI DSS requires rotating SNMP community strings at least every 90 days. But in a large multi-vendor network, there's no easy way to prove which devices still carry expired or default strings versus the current approved value. Manual spot checks in spreadsheets are slow, error-prone, and only accurate the moment they're collected, leaving teams without defensible audit evidence where one missed device can jeopardize the whole attestation.
NCM's policy engine solves this problem by letting you define the SNMP community string requirement once and enforce it everywhere. A single reusable policy flags expired, default, or prohibited strings and confirms the approved value, scoped to networks, views, or sites so it automatically covers every in-scope device. NCM evaluates each configuration on a schedule, surfaces a clear compliant versus non-compliant view, and retains time-stamped revision history as defensible 90-day audit evidence, turning a manual audit time scramble into continuous automated compliance reporting.
As Priya highlighted, tracking manual 90-day SNMP rotations across a massive network is a compliance nightmare. Let's look at how NCM enforces policy and automates this entire life cycle. SNMP community name rotations can be tracked and initiated directly via an incident management system or workload automation scheduler. Through an API integration, the NCM policy updates with the new community name and schedules the deployment during approved maintenance windows. However, operations teams often withhold critical nodes for manual validation. We will examine one such intentionally withheld device. All devices that are now out of compliance are flagged by NCM and are highlighted on the dashboard. From there, an operator can open a non-compliance report and drill down into the Southwest Austin area to view the specific device. Clicking on the device and focusing on the audit trail shows that the device is non-compliant. Examining the detail, the device is out of compliance and is associated with the SNMP rotation policy. To verify, the operator opens the running configuration to check the active non-compliant SNMP string. Once validated, they return to the device list and trigger NCM to enforce the policy. In the Schedule Manager, the job appears in a pending state. Since configuration changes require authorization, the operator simply selects and approves it. The job shifts into a running state. Once it completes, the operator can verify the update by opening the device's audit trail. The audit now reflects a fully compliant status, confirming the device is completely aligned with the SNMP rotation policy. For a final verification, the operator checks the config history to compare the current running configuration against the previous version, where the SNMP update is clearly highlighted. Returning to the dashboard, the non-compliant device count has officially dropped by 1 due to NCM's enforcement. With our dashboard updated, the network is officially audit-ready. Broadcom's Network Configuration Manager, or NCM, eliminates the manual guesswork of PCI DSS compliance by automating policy enforcement and tracking historical revisions. This ensures continuous visibility, protecting your multi-vendor environment from human error while providing defensible audit evidence.